might be wondering what I am doing standing here in front of what looks like a bunch of scraps and maybe garbage, but you would be wrong. That is not what this is. This is the base to your next soup. This is all of the scraps that have tons of nutrients that, let's say, you've used throughout the whole week. We're gonna turn this into a beautiful vegetable broth that you can use whenever you're ready. All week long when you're cooking, when you're making dinner, when you're doing anything, you're gonna take your scraps and you're gonna put it in a gallon bag. You may be wondering what scraps you can use. Basically everything. I'm gonna take this bag that I've been collecting all week long and I'm going to dump it into my stock pot. And so we're just gonna take all this and we're going to dump it in there. This is also a great time to add in seasonings. You can add salt, you can add pepper, maybe like basil, something that you really enjoy and that you use as a base in a lot of your soups. So we're going to let it sit here for about 3 to 4 hours and we're just gonna pop by every now and then. We're gonna stir it. We're just gonna make sure that everything is melding really well in there. The color of the water should turn to a nice golden color and just kind of set it and forget it. Once we have let this simmer for 4 hours, we turned off the burner, pushed to the side, let it cool, and now we are going to strain it and transfer it into our frozen containers. So we're just gonna put it all down there, and then we're just gonna be very careful to shake all the goodies down in there. You can see the color in there. It's so golden and beautiful, and it smells amazing. Because this is just broth and water, basically vegetables and water, it can stay in the freezer for about 4 months, but make sure to label it, add the date on so we don't get mixed up. There you go, from scraps to beautiful broth. This is a wonderful way to use all the things in your kitchen that you thought were trash.